What are the easiest ways to save energy and help your HVAC equipment last? Here at Peterman Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing, we hear this question a lot. So, we're going to answer that exact question in today's episode. Welcome everyone to the Homeowner's Handbook. I'm Chad Peterman. Today we have 3 tips for helping keep your system running as long and as efficient as possible. First up is to make reminders for performing your regular home maintenance. Whatever works best for you, make sure you're including regular maintenance in your calendar. From a note on your mirror to a calendar alert on your phone, making sure you keep your HVAC system maintained is the most critical step to keeping it running efficiently. That said, we understand it can be a lot to keep track of, and that is precisely why we started our Peterman Protection Club. If you're a Protection Club member, you can rest easy knowing we'll notify you when it's time for your heating and cooling tune-ups. One less thing you need to remember. Tip 2 is to have a programmable thermostat installed, or if you have one, to program your thermostat's schedule. Ensuring your system isn't running as much when it doesn't need to is an excellent way to reduce your energy cost. You can also upgrade even further to a Wi-Fi thermostat, allowing you to customize your schedule even further or take direct control by controlling it remotely from your phone. Our third and final tip is to make sure not to cover any floor vents. Home decorating is fun, but if you have floor vents, it could cause a problem for your HVAC system. When placing furniture, make sure not to cover any vents. Covering return vents could suffocate the system, and covering supply vents can put back pressure on your system. To make sure your system is running optimally, avoid covering any of your vents. Those are all of today's tips. What'd you think? Plan on trying any of these yourself? Let us know in the comments and come back next week for more tips, tricks, and product spotlights from the Homeowner's Handbook.